So, another mouse has ended up in the jar, as we can see by Anders, and Leica is worse this time. So we wanted to show this. Okay. God almighty. Oh, honey pie. Easy. She's so fanatical. I don't think this is healthy. God almighty. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. Oh, she's trying to attack the paper. Like us, I got you a pet rodent. Would you leave it alone? Can I get a pet rat safely? And no, we're not going to let her eat it. We're going to let it go on the street again. She has lost it. Oh my god. Holy smokes. Unreal. Okay, Leica. Say goodbye, honey.